In this session of our Facebook ads course, we will provide you with a guide on how to effectively set up pixel. And if you aim to track the performance of ads, or if you wish to analyze the traffic and conversions directed to your website, then setting up the pixel becomes essential as it is a mandatory step. Without setting up the pixel, you will be unable to effectively run Facebook ads, conduct remarketing campaigns, scale your advertisements, track conversions, boost conversion rates, and carry out a range of important activities. So if we are teaching Facebook ads and you want to learn them well, this is one of the most important parts. And once you have installed the pixel, it is crucial to ensure that it has been set up correctly and is accurately tracking the necessary data. So you will learn all these things step by step in this course in the upcoming videos. So today's purpose of this video is to tell you how to set up pixel. If you watch this video completely till the end, I will demonstrate you live how to set up the pixel on a website practically. And if you follow these steps, you can also easily set up the pixel on your website with the same process that I explain. So let's move forward. As you can see on the computer screen, that here I am currently in the Meta Business Suite account now. Here I will click on all tools and proceed with it further here from this option. So I have to click on the event manager. As I told you in the previous video, that event manager is the particular section here where we will get to see about pixel data and everything else concerned with it, and track everything in Facebook Ads Manager account here. So here, as you can see the option here of connect data sources, right? So now I need to connect my website here. Now here, I will click on the web because that's where I will do it. If you have an app, you can choose that, and there are options for offline data and CRM as well. I will choose website, so I click on the web and next. Now in this next step, it is asking the name to create the new data set. So for this, I will provide a name. Then I will type here MF agency. So I provided the dummy name here and click create. And I have given the name here. I will be moving to the next step. Then I will put the website here in this section on which I will have to put the pixel. I will copy the URL of that website and paste it here then. And then I will click on next, right? Now as I go to the next, you can see here that options of Metapixel conversion API Metapixel only. Now in this step, I have this page. I will click next. I will click on Metapixel and conversion. Okay. So here, it's taking a little bit of time to load. Now we have these options of setup with partner integration, setup with conversion API, setup manually. So I set up manually. I will click on it. Okay, because I am showing you how to manually copy the code properly and paste it on the website. So here we will go next. As I click next here, so it gives us the complete instructions on how to do and follow everything. Now in this step, click continue. And then here we have all these options here like view content, search and all, and we can select these options like add to cart, add to wish list, initiate checkout, purchase, or whatever we need to select from here. Whatever I think I need to track, I can select those particular items and check the boxes. In this way, I have selected them. After selecting, I will continue. Further, as I continue from here, we are at this event details page, but I'm not selecting anything here right now. At this point, I will leave all these options unchanged. And here, I will continue. And after continuing, I will continue again. We have option of send instructions. Now it has two options of sending them to mail or implementing the API it manually. So here in this option, I will click. So here you can see this send instructions option. We are not sending anything to email, okay? And here it is showing the option of finish. So I'll directly click on finish. As soon as I clicked finish here, now as you can see on the screen that here, as you can see, there are multiple options. However, our focus here is to collect website events specifically from browser activity. Okay. We need to collect the data and track activities occurring on the website, capturing this information. To set up the Metapixel, we need to click on this install the code manually. We will install the code manually. If we are not using any third-party integration or app, so we will click on the option of install code manually. You can see that the process has changed compared to last year when I first introduced Facebook ads and the way it is now. So we bring you the latest course for you. So here you are seeing this code. We will proceed to copy this code. Okay. So the code has now been copied to proceed. We will go to the website's admin panel. We already have it on WordPress. Then go to its admin panel and here is the option for appearances. I will proceed with clicking on the theme and file editor. Okay. We clicked here. After clicking here, you can see on the screen page that we have an option of header here, right? So we clicked on this option of header. And next we will move forward with updating our file in the header section. Okay. So in this process, we will put our file here in the head here. As you can see, we paste the code and it is pasted here, right? Click on the update file. So as soon as I updated the file, see here the file should show here as edited successfully in this page. You need to check if it has been successfully updated or not, otherwise it will not update. So as soon as I proceed back in the event, okay. So I had pasted the code. Now I will continue and proceed. Automatic advanced matching, okay. Here, we just need to follow the process. We just put the code there. We made it successful. Let's just continue. Go to Pixel Overview. So friends, let's refresh this once. Okay. So here after refreshing, as you can see, here on the screen, right? That the ID is displayed here of my database that I entered. Okay. And by chance, if it does not show up after refreshing or you have any difficulty, then don't panic. It takes 24 to 48 hours for the pixels to update. Otherwise, I will tell you another way. So as you can see that this is my website and here you have the option to install a Chrome extension called Metapixel Helper. If you take a look here, you will notice that whether the code is installed on my website or not. In this section, you can clearly see that the code I implemented for the Pixel ID is displayed here. Okay, on my website. The Pixel ID that I entered is now clearly visible in my extension. Besides that, you can see here the same ID I used. I am showing you the same code here, which I had previously added here, right? So here, you can see that this is the ID, 227241, right? And as you can see on the screen that this particular ID, it is also reflected here in this Metapixel ID. And this ID that I have added here, when I added the pixel on this side, the same ID is also showing on my website. So it can take 24 to 48 hours for the rest of the data and all these things to show up, so you don't have to worry about it. If it is not showing up immediately, don't worry, wait 24 to 48 hours. If it is still not working, you can repeat the process again. So I hope you will be able to easily set up the pixel by following these steps. You will start tracking on your website, and in upcoming videos, you will learn how to set up events, create ads, and many more practically. So subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. Thank you.